Hey guys, it's been a long time. I figured I owed at least an update to let you guys know what I've been up to. Um, Pretty much like everybody, I've been, isolated and dealing with this whole situation, in my own personal way. The way that I deal with, trials and tribulations is I just throw myself into work. So in addition to two paid clients, which would kind of equal a full time job, in my spare time, I've been making this game. I started the game early earlier this year, and I've damn near finished it, or at least what I consider comfortable to release during this pandemic. I've done a lot of work on this game in the past couple months. I've added an online mode that I'm going to ship with the game that allows people to join lobbies and play against each other. I've been testing the crap out of this over the past 2 weeks, playing with my friends over the weekends. This is without a doubt one of the hardest things I've ever done, or at least I should say I don't have a lot of experience doing online game programming and synchronizing multiplayer online. So for that reason, it's difficult for me because it's like my first rodeo with that. Um, the game itself is sitting just under 30,000 lines of code, which is on top of a game engine that I wrote, which is probably somewhere between 50 and 100,000 lines of code. I think it's closer to 100 now. So this thing's massive, but I'm proud of it. I haven't made a game since 2015, and that last game that I made, I really wasn't that proud of it. I felt like I rushed through it. The gameplay wasn't good. I tried to spread myself too thin and make a 3D game when I knew that was kind of something I wasn't going to be able to do in the amount of time I allotted. And this game, I think, is just a real happy medium for what I feel like I can do as a one-person development team, but also what I think could be really fun. And I've had some really positive feedback from my friends that have played this game, which I didn't really get from the last game I made. Which makes me feel really good that this one's was worth finishing, because there were times when I was working on this game that I was like really ready to throw in the towel and give up. I mean, just so much work went into making this game go from being like a little hobby thing, dumb idea that I had that I wanted to play with Ben, sitting on a couch, and then the pandemic hit, and I just got really frustrated that we couldn't meet up and play. So I decided to make the game work online, which again was so much more work than I thought it was going to be. I mean, this game is now tied with the original Verto Studio 3D modeling editor for the amount of code, and I don't want to say complexity, but definitely the amount of code and time I put into version 1.0 of that. I've probably put into version 1.0 of this. I mean, the game's got AI, really stupid AI, but it's got AI that'll fight you. It's got the ability for multiple people to play on the same TV with like four PS4 controllers, but now you can also play online. It's got a team battle mode, at least locally, where two people can control and fight over one team, which is really fun. I just put so much into this. This game is something that's been like a promise to myself. I didn't learn how to code so that I could work, for companies, which I love to do. Don't get me wrong. But I taught myself how to code when I was younger because I wanted to make games. And that's kind of what this is. So I don't want to ramble too much. I just want to let you guys know this is what I've been working on. This is why there's been no videos. This is why, I've been really quiet on everything else. I've really thrown myself into this. I plan on releasing this game as an early kind of like trial release on the Mac App Store first, just to kind of see if my servers can handle the load, and I don't expect a lot of people to buy this game, but if they did, I want to be able to handle the amount of servers so everyone can play online and make it balanced with whatever price tag I'm going to come up with for this thing. But when that's done, I'm going to upload it to Steam. But I'm going to create a trailer for the game, like a trailer that, kind of shows some fun aspects of it. I'm going to do that before I do anything, and I'm going to upload that here to this channel before I upload it to any app stores or Steam or anything like that. So stay tuned here for that. That'll kind of be like the official trailer for the game, and then maybe I'll talk about that afterwards or something like that. I'm really fried and like mentally there's like a lot of my brain has gone into this, So I don't know if and when I'll be doing a deep dive to explain like how this game works, but I'm sure sometime in the future I might be down to do that, but no promises. But anyway, yeah, get excited because this whole damn channel is about game programming, and I'm actually making one, and it's gonna not suck. So pretty happy with that. So stay tuned, everybody, and we're really close to like 10,000 subscribers. So I never asked for that. That's awesome. You guys just keep subscribing and keep watching my stuff, which is really cool. So I really appreciate that as well. I hope everybody's doing well out there. Stay positive and just keep programming, I guess.